Have you ever pondered the idea of uncertainty and how it plays into our decision-making processes? Well, there exists a concept in the realm of artificial intelligence and computer science that aims to translate this uncertainty into something more tangible, something more manageable. This concept is known as fuzzification. Fuzzification is the process of transforming a crisp input value into a fuzzy value. It's akin to taking a black and white picture and adding shades of gray to it. It's about dealing with the world not in absolutes, but in degrees of possibility. To understand this better, consider a simple thermostat. In a conventional system, you'd set a temperature and the system would either be on or off, depending on whether the room temperature is below or above the set value. But what if we could make this process more nuanced? What if we could have the system gradually adjust itself based on how far or close we are to the desired temperature? That's where fuzzification comes in. The first step in the process of fuzzification is defining our fuzzy sets. In our thermostat example, we might have fuzzy sets like cold, comfortable, and hot. Each of these sets is characterized by a membership function, which determines the degree to which a particular input belongs to the set. Next, we apply this membership function to our crisp input, which in this case is the current room temperature. The result is a fuzzy value that tells us how much the room temperature belongs to each of our defined fuzzy sets. This fuzzy value can then be used in a variety of ways. For instance, it can be used to make decisions in a more nuanced manner, or it can be used as input for further computations in a fuzzy logic system. In essence, fuzzification is about taking a hard and fast value and breaking it down into a range of possibilities. It's about acknowledging the inherent uncertainty of the world and making it a part of our computational models. So, to recap, fuzzification is the process of turning a crisp input into a fuzzy value. It starts by defining fuzzy sets, each characterized by a membership function, which is then applied to the crisp input to derive the fuzzy value. This process allows for a more nuanced understanding of the world, breaking away from the binary, black and white view and embracing the shades of gray that make up the reality of our everyday lives. Fuzzification is a key tool in the arsenal of artificial intelligence, helping our systems become more adaptable, more intuitive, and ultimately more human-like in their decision-making processes. So the next time you adjust your thermostat or watch an AI making a decision, remember the process of fuzzification. It's the magic that turns certainty into possibility and absolutes into shades of gray. It's the secret ingredient that adds a touch of human-like uncertainty to the cold precision of our machines.